I'm back over to make a million. 75% of my nationality is Sicilian. I'm on the #1 list, they sweeter than the good rich. I keep your heads bopping, belly flopping, listen to this. Who's the hottest chick now? He's like, oh my god, wow, I'm gonna show you how. First thing I do is for the crowd. Been doing this since 7th grade, but the thing is, I don't get paid. But a good me, make it greater. How much you still get like his hey, who you trying to play? Think I'm gonna let you get the best of me? No, I don't think so. I keep my raps outspoken, never on the down low. Come on, the girl you love most is coming from the East Coast, buttering up lyrics like on a plain piece of toast. Killing till you best believe it. My temper can't be treated. I'd rather stay heated just in case it's ever needed. Calm and conceited, I'm the most undefeated. My plan is to have a man by not getting cheated. Sicilian kids don't go nowhere because you're missed. But both are better than cheese, including cheddar and Swiss. Don't ever promise this because I can turn into a bitch. You know when I'm pissed because my head sounds a twitching like a mix between the nice and the mean. It's like when I was born, I created my own gene. Take my paper days, original style in my face. But I'll be rapping disgrace, so give me a beat, pan, answer space. I create, big motherfuckers motivate. Appreciate where I'm from, it's New York State. City of Buffalo, you can't fuck with my flow. How many girls do you know? Everyone calls the men stay so unfaithful. I know you love me, beat and Memphis go to our tempo. Down like this, what's my name? Huh? Down like this, what's my name? What's my name? Sicilian Kiss. How many girls do you know getting down like this? What's my name? What's my name? Sicilian Kiss. Girls do you know getting down like this? What's my name? What's my name?
Sicilian Kiss.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.